Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kante. Today I am going to talk about technical topic is the skeletal system. This skeletal system is composed of bones and connective tissue including cartilage, ligament and tendon. It provides the structural framework for the human body, allowing movement, protecting vital organs, producing blood cells, and storing minerals. Here's detailed breakdown of the skeletal system component. Functions, structure, and common condition. Then first one is components of the skeletal system. The first one is bones. There are 206 bones in the adult human body, varying in a size and shape. Bones can be classified into 5 types. First one is long bones found in the arm and legs, femur. These bones are longer than they are wide. Second one is a short bone, cube shaped bone found in the wrist and ankle, carpals tarsal. Third one is a flat bone, thin flat bone that provide protection and large areas of muscle attached. Skull, ribs, sternum. Irregular bones, complex shape bones that do not fit into other categories. Example: some bones. Uh, B. Cartilage, a flexible connective tissue found in a various form in the body. It provides at joint, helps from structure like are the ear and nose, sever template for the bones formation during development. C. Ligament, strong bands of fibrous tissue that connect bones to other bones at joint, helping to stabilize and support the joint. D. Tendons, connective tissue that attach muscle to bones. Movement of the skeletal vein, muscle contract. Structure of bones. Bone tissue. Bone tissue consists of two main types: compact bone, dense and hard, providing strength and structure. It forms the outer layer of bones. Spongy bone, lighter and found inside bones. It contains red bone marrow and is involved in the production of the blood cells. B. Bone cells. The three primary type of bone cells: cells responsible for bone formation by the producing bone matrix, mature bone cells that maintain the bone matrix. Cells are breakdown bone tissue which is essential for bone and calcium regulation. Bone marrow, located in the hollow space of the bones. Bone marrow exists in two types: red marrow, involved in producing blood cell, RBC white blood cell. Yellow marrow, mainly composed of fat cells. It can convert to red bone marrow. The body need increased blood cell production. Major functions of the skeletal system: support. The skeletal system provide a framework that support the body shape and procedure. B. Protection bones, uh, vital organs from the injury. For example, the skull protect the brain, the rib cage the heart and lungs, protect the spinal cord. Movement muscle are they attached to bone tendon contract the pull on the bones to produce movement. Thank you.